You've probably scrolled past a video that looks like a Hollywood trailer, but what if I told you it was made entirely by AI? In under 2 minutes. Not with Sora, not with Kling, but with Google VEO 3, a powerful text-to-video model currently locked behind a $20 per month paywall and limited to just a few countries. But I found a way to access it, legally, for free, from outside the US. And in this video, I'll walk you through every step you need to follow to unlock 15 months of Google VEO Pro, even if you don't live in the eligible regions. Let's get into it. Officially, VEO Pro access is limited to a few countries: US, UK, Brazil, Japan, Indonesia, and it costs over $300 for 15 months. Even worse, Google blocks you if you're underage or outside these regions. When I tried logging in from Europe, I got a message saying, "You are not eligible." But here's the thing. Google is quietly running a free trial program meant for students, which includes 15 months of full access. The trick? You don't need to be a real student. You just need to follow these exact steps. First, you need to make Google think you're in the US. To do that, install a free VPN browser extension. I used one called VPN Super Unlimited Proxy from the Chrome Web Store. Once installed, connect to a US server. I chose Virginia. Now refresh the Google AI sign-up page. Already you'll be one step closer. Next, sign up with a new or unused Gmail account. This helps avoid issues with existing Google accounts that may have restrictions. Use a clean browser or incognito window for best results. To unlock the student promotion, you'll need a .edu email. Head to a temp mail provider like eduemail.org or use a service that gives you access to temporary student domains. Choose a simple username, like Alex2030, and grab your temporary .edu address. Paste that into the Google sign-up page and click Verify. A code will be sent to your temporary inbox. Grab it and enter it back into Google's verification field. If it doesn't arrive, double-check your VPN and try a different temp mail service. Even though it's a free trial, Google still asks for a payment method. But don't worry, they won't charge anything until June 2026. Here's what I used. A free Revolut virtual card, available in minutes. A matching US zip code based on your VPN location. I used 20,110 for Virginia. Enter your card info, click Start Trial, and boom, you're in. If you get blocked at this stage, try clearing your cache or switching to a fresh browser session. Once you're in, you'll land inside Google's Flow interface, where VEO 3 lives. Click New Project. Type a prompt like, "A tiger running through a futuristic jungle with glowing neon trees." Set the model to VEO 3. Enable audio. Choose highest quality, and click Generate. In less than 2 minutes, you'll have a full video, complete with motion, lighting, sound, and cinematic flair. Want to get results that look like a Hollywood trailer? Use this optimized prompt structure to unlock VEO 3's full power. Ultra-detailed cinematic scene of subject and environment, featuring motion type, sound design, lighting effects, depth of field, camera angle. You can generate this structure using ChatGPT or DeepSeek. Ask the model to write a cinematic video prompt for your idea, and then copy it directly into VEO 3. Simple versus optimized prompts make a huge difference. Try it yourself and see the quality jump. VEO 3 also includes frames to video, where you can upload your own images or generate them from text. Add camera movement like dolly in, pan left, or zoom out to turn your images into a short film. You can create frame sequences with AI tools like Gemini, then stitch them into animated clips with VEO's camera tools. It works great for storytelling or even faceless content. And that's it. Google VEO 3 Pro unlocked, with 1,000 free credits per month and access to a tool that could change how you make videos forever. All it takes is a VPN, a temporary .edu email, a virtual card, and 5 minutes of setup. Drop a comment if you need help, and I'll answer as many as I can. Want the optimized prompt I used? Comment VEO prompt, and I'll send it your way. This is your chance to turn your ideas into viral cinematic content with nothing but AI. Subscribe for more tutorials like this. The future of video is here. You're holding it.